Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do common denominator. So this one will multiply by 1 plus sine x. This one by 1 minus sine x. So sine x minus sine x, they cancel. 1 plus 1, we have number 2. So this one, that is about 1 minus sine x squared. So we have the formula in here. So I will put sine x squared go to the right. And we need to transform this one into this one. One over cosine x, that is about secant of x. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.